one of the other elements I was talking with Scott was we incorporated, I don't know how familiar you are with the Right Now technology, but we incorporated virtual assistant, which is kind of a chatbot that's, I'll call it a chatbot. I don't know if it qualifies in the truest sense, but actually, have you ever heard of virtual assistant?
I have, and I guess the other thing is Sirius is currently a Right Now Service Cloud customer that is having.
So we won't have to hide the UI like we did at.
And we're moving them off of that over to Engagement Cloud. Long and short of it, I guess.
Yeah, Scott was talking about the fact that they may want to transition, bit by bit. And so, yeah, that's part of the demo that we showed here. Maybe I should just go through the demo and shut up. Here's what we had. I can show you that we had three personas. The F5 executive was all reporting. You probably don't want to see that. Probably not relevant because they have specific reporting needs. But the first one was just a classic example of a customer going to a personalized site. And, in her case, she needed to solve a problem that she was having. So she was going to, find a solution to a problem. Hang on a second.
Mm-hmm.
My daughter interrupted me here for a second. Sorry.
That's okay.
The hazards of working at home.
Yeah.
So I told you what, she's going to go. She has a problem with one of their, this is customer F5, they make networking products. She has a problem with one of their products. She's going to go to their portal, see if she can find an answer. When she does, she sees this kind of Amazon-like experience where she has what we call an My F5 Customer 360, where she can see the assets she owns, the service requests they submitted, look for knowledge, etc. And then we had her look through and review a service request she previously submitted. She leveraged their knowledge management solution, which we can show engagement clouds as well, if you want. And then we had her kick into, while she's on My F5, she gets solicited with an offer, and again, kind of told the story of engagement cloud, sales cloud, I guess, and the ability to have next best offer presented out as we would as top recommendation. Long story short, it shows here's the next product that you should buy, and she ponders that and thinks, yeah, that's probably a good idea. She decides to go and have a session with the chatbot, which is what the virtual assistant product is. And during that process, what was important to our customer was where can we draw the line between knowing when we want to have the customer interact with the chatbot and then escalating it to a live agent. So we demoed that. That's one of the things that we're capable of showing with the Right Now product. So we did that. And then ultimately, we had the agent drop the item in her cart and then had some talk track around that. That makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
I go like that too. Then the next vignette was somewhat the same, except from a partner's point of view. So we have a partner that comes in. Again, they have some specific things they want to do. They want to go in and register the deal because that's near and dear to all partners' hearts. And then create an SR on behalf of one of the customers that they take care of. And so we go through that same story, time. The partner has a different look and feel. Because we're using Commerce Cloud, by the way. I don't know how much you know of what this solution is, but it's Commerce Cloud, it's Engagement Cloud, Digital Customer Service, which, are you familiar with that? The kind of e-service thing that's...
Do you like a assisted selling app or the reference app on the engagement on the Commerce Cloud side?
We plug this stuff in to Commerce Cloud. So Commerce Cloud is kind of our Uber portal to plug in elements from Engagement Cloud. And in our case,
Sure.
Like.
Yep.
So yeah, just here, and I'll just tell you, in the event that you get stuck doing this demo, there's some weird stuff you have to do. This is a digital customer service portal that comes. That's an option within Engagement Cloud.
Yep. No, now I got you. I'm familiar with that. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
Cole Mitchell.
So,
yep.
there's probably other ways to do it, but we had quite an adventure because we had a Commerce Cloud SC and an ET and myself trying to figure out how to piece this stuff together. And it's not so intuitive in Commerce Cloud to hook some of this stuff up. So what we had to do is you have to have a window open that where Cole Mitchell is logged into DCS, and then you can log in to Commerce Cloud, which we started off on the My F5 page, their personalized page. And when I click on Service Request, it'll render up the service request. And because you can get by, this user's name isn't Cole Mitchell, it's somebody else. So anyway, I'm boring you with details. Just trying to highlight some of the gotchas that are outlined in the script I sent you. But
sure.
Long story short, we didn't log in to the portal because it looks kind of busy. We just kind of started off on this view. So, and that was kind of a decision Scott and the team made when we, but you guys could do whatever. But long story short, you get this My F5 view. You'll see here, this is what I'm talking about, the next best offer. So, when I log in, I get messaging, and it's based off of products I already own, or don't own, what was going to work for me. In their case, denial of service product would fit in well with some of the other networking products they already own, which are highlighted here. So this person sees the specific assets that they own that are depicted here. And what was important to our customer, they're migrating from an on-premise world to as a service world, where subscriptions are becoming really important. So we did talk tracks around the fact that I got an asset with an expiring subscription. And so I want to highlight that, and I can take action to that. But, as you can see, I can see exactly when I bought these products, et cetera. And in the past, I would have had to call somebody up either internally or at F5 to figure out when did you buy that and what are the assets that you own. I can see it right here. Gives me everything I need. I can also get access to other areas such as service, knowledge, and chat. But we also highlight, because it's commerce now, you can bring in some of these other areas that are important. For example, for them, they wanted to keep both the partners and customers trained up on their products, and they actually do certifications, kind of like we do at Oracle. So, but they're probably more important to these guys and users. I mean, think about it. Our customers too. If you're somebody who's deploying Engagement Cloud, you want somebody that's gone through the boot camp, right, and or the formal certification, and also look at additional training opportunities. So stuff like that, support links, product links that are relevant to me, and then solution links as well are all available to me at a click of a mouse. So in our vignette, and we kind of did that, talked about this is that Uber portal that can do anything, be anything. Then we just kind of went through probably what's going to be fairly familiar flow here. I want to look at service requests here. This sometimes takes a second. I don't know why, but I didn't run session warmers. That might help it a little bit. But in our case, we wanted to highlight a service request that we wanted to check out beyond. We noted that we'd gotten one. And
just to make sure I understand what you're doing here, you've embedded the reference app of Engagement Cloud into Commerce Cloud? Is that?
Exactly. So
okay.
This is Commerce Cloud. Yeah, if we were to pop over here to DCS, we would see this link. Same thing. Just rendered inside of an iframe, and I don't know why. I'm trying to get our Commerce Cloud guy. We had all kinds of adventures in Commerce Cloud SE. We did this kind of dry run with their internal team, and then for the CBC, we had all the execs coming. Our Commerce Cloud SE got ill to the point where we thought it was like life-threatening, actually, had blood clots in his lungs. And so
Yeah, believe me, I've been there. I know what you mean. So,
Yep, yep. And this text thing, the AT and I didn't. We were tempted, like, let's just try going there and fix it. But we thought, God, if we broke something, there'd be nobody to fix it, and we would be,
right,
we would be shot at dawn or whatever. So, long story short, the whole storyline here are very typical. You're a people guy, and you've done these before. I'm avoiding having to call into the call center, which from our customer that we were dealing with, all of their call center people, a lot of them have PhDs, so they're super expensive. Like a call costs somewhere in between $125 and $600 for them. So they were like, avoid a call at all costs when possible. And they're
right,
trying to go from Fortune 250 to Fortune 1000. So as you get these lower margin customers, you need to make sure that you're not going to destroy yourself
right,
in terms of cost of service. So this was really important to them to be able to come in here and see, okay, they answered it, discovered that somebody actually did a firmware upgrade for me to take care of the problem I was having. We also highlighted the fact that this was IoT generated error. So Scott had done a talk track, and I don't know if this is pertinent to your customer or not, but just our IoT capabilities that are somewhat inherent in service or in engagement cloud. I'm actually shocked. If you buy our IoTs, there's actually some pre-built stuff in there. But anyway, I
Hmm.
just
Nope, that's pertinent to them.
this is all stuff that you've probably done before and nothing fancy. Now the next thing we did, and these vignettes are really short. I mean, they're probably 15 to 20 minutes each. And the only reason they go longer is if people start asking questions. What we did, our customer had invested heavily in a knowledge management solution, and they told us we want to keep it. So what we did was we embedded their Ask F5 knowledge base right in Commerce as well. And for reasons I don't really understand, they were unbelievably impressed with this, that we did this. And asked how long did it take, and I didn't want to even answer them that, it took about 20 seconds.
Right,
I just said, no, it's pretty easy to do, because I was like, here, this is an iframe, and, you put some parameters on there so it doesn't include the URL.
right,
But anyway, it's our talk track. We did, one of their nerdy, solutions. Now, I don't know if you probably don't want to show this to your customer. If you don't, we also embedded our knowledge search. This is, again, gets back to what's inherent in DCS and Engagement Cloud. So if we were to pop over here and do knowledge search, you're literally going to have the same thing rendered.
right,
And you can do the same thing here. So you'll go and you can select search by product or whatever, but same thing. Here's the solution I need, there's a workaround, blah blah blah. And so anyway, this is just again something that can be exposed, and you go from there.
okay.
So I'm guessing you guys will probably want to show this knowledge, not the Ask F5 one.
Yes, I would agree.
Yeah, that would be good. Yeah. Anyway, so our talk track was that the customer goes through, they check an old service request, they go and then search for some knowledge here. By having a workaround, they don't have to make a call. They're happy because they don't like calling people. F5's happy because it doesn't cost any money. They go on, life is great. So then, in our talk track, we had the customer being very intrigued by that original offer that they had around that new product. And so we decided this would be a good time for me to maybe see if it's an agent of some kind or someone can tell me a little bit more about that. We then went into our virtual assistant, which is a chatbot. It uses natural language processing to, and it is a bot that is built to answer questions that people ask. And I don't know if you'll want to get into the admin demo of it, but there's an admin demo for phone versus the one they're pitching, and can they work together? And it comes back here with
you were, you just, I couldn't hear what you said for the last, I couldn't hear what you said for the last 20 seconds. You kind of just cut out. You know what?
Can you hear me?
No, not really.
Oh, maybe it's this headset.
You were kind of cutting in and out.
Hang on a second. Let me swap. It might be dying. Hang on. Let me swap. Swap. Oops. I'll see if I can swap. Can you hear me now?
I can, yep.
Okay. I don't know what's going on. So what didn't you hear? Did you get any of this the talk track around the chat that was happening?
Yes, yep. So and again, this isn't a chatbot. This is the virtual assistant in engagement or in Service Cloud, right?
Yeah, which is coming to Engagement Cloud later this year.
Okay.
So, yeah, and you know, like I said, this is one you can. It actually has capabilities around monitoring what people ask. So you can get an idea of what to expect, or if you type something it doesn't know the answer to. It who is Jim? It'll probably, it'll say, I didn't get that, or, I don't understand. So there's rules around, what it does after you ask it so many times. But for our talk track, what we wanted to do was to demonstrate to the customer, and again, they had ideas of when they want to escalate to a live agent. They like chatbot, they like chat type, virtual assistants as well. Because again, both of those offset the expensive cost of dealing with a real agent. But sometimes you want to automatically ship this to somebody. If it's the intent is judged correctly. So either they're super angry with you, they ask to be sent to an agent, or they ask a question. In our case, we put, can this product ship today? Which to us is that's a buying signal, right? And so when we do that, it comes back that we have an agent to chat with you right now. Would that be okay? I say yes. Then I'm going to get here. This is my right now screen. It's telling me that there's incoming chat. I'm going to accept it, and it auto kicks out a response for me while I scramble. I can pull this up here. And what they'll do is it'll actually send the agent. Can you see this okay?
Yep.
So it'll bring over everything we talked about to the agent. So I get exactly what's going on. And I can say, can I get DDoS right away? And in our case, because it's a demo, we can tell the customer, because it's a demo, of course you're going to buy right now. And so we said yes. Want me to put it in your shopping cart? And we had the customer say yes. And we had this done offline, so they didn't see it. So done. by great magic, here's our product put in our shopping cart. This is something that's eminently doable, though, with commerce. There's a plug-in for service I think you can put in. We just didn't do it. But you still with me here?
Yep. Yeah. No, I'm with you. I'm in my head just. We're trying to demo the greatness of Engagement Cloud to get them off Service Cloud, and we're going to do a Service Cloud demo.
Yeah. Now, what you might want to do, what we could do here is just have somebody else be the agent so they don't see what happens. I mean, that's what we did for our demo. We had somebody else, so you're not showing the agent side of it. You're just showing the customer side.
So they just saw what's coming back.
What's that?
They just saw the responses coming back.
Yep. And that was fine. Nobody seemed to care in our demo. But
okay. Nope. I got you.
And so here, there's some more talk tracks you can put here. Yeah, you can request a quote. There's integration to CPQ Cloud. You can request an invoice here, or in our case, our customer does subscriptions or moving that subscription model. So this became a big talking point as well, that you can automate the subscription process where, on this date, we're going to renew your subscription. So, and that's pretty much the first vignette that we did. Does any of that make sense to you?
Yep. Yeah. Makes sense.
Yeah. I mean, like I said, I don't know your use cases or not. I'll quickly go through this other one. The partner one, this is a partner login. Kind of tried to make it look different here. There's some metrics that are put up here automatically. I won't bore you with the details of it because most of it's cheese from Commerce Cloud, but we kind of spun it around. This is what happens with partners' orders, and they can see calendar of events, etc. When you get to the partner side, we have some specifics here. Again, tell them what promotions that we're doing. Here, we're having the customer or the partner look at their specific customers. I'm having a Commerce Cloud guy put in something that makes this look a little more like it's my customers, and it changes and stuff like that. But then we just do the other vignettes. And again, these just come out of straight from integration to Engagement Cloud. I create a deal registration. I pick my account here, the deal size, when the close date is, save and close it. Sorry, I'm going to have to bolt here in a second, but I want to show you some of this stuff. Whoops, sorry. Service request, same thing. I create a service request, and it's going to have the same thing. I pick the account, severity, etc. Quickly created. And the talk tracks can be twofold depending on what your customer does. Our customer, they were having partners do level 1 and 2, so this appealed to them that, hey, they could actually assign it to their own folks, and I don't have to worry about it. And so that helps drive down the cost of doing business for them. Then the last thing here, I'm just going to bring up my last thing we did was around going mobile. So the picture of this guy is out and about. He's going to solve some problems. First thing he does is, as a customer, they're having an issue with transparent proxies. Oops. Let's try it again. Configure transparent proxies. A popular favorite here. So what it does, again, it just goes in, the kind of storyline here, ICBS is more kind of ubiquitous. You can hit any number of systems, so it's actually going into their knowledge management system, finding a solution here, ask me if I want the full details. Yeah, I do, by a link. And so in this case, I'm going to open it in their portal, that same knowledge management, get the details, give my customer an answer, even though I'm out and about. I'm all set. I don't need to find anything else out. I might want to give them feedback because they're, trying to get better all the time. Service Quest status. I want to check out the Service Quest we created. This is what it was called, Configure SSO. I can see that somebody's been assigned and they're reviewing it. That's all I need to know. I don't need to leave a note. Boom, boom, boom. It'll remind me that I recently requested a quote for this customer. Do I want to see it? Yes. Oops. Yes. What happened to my... Dang. I can open the quote and I can't connect. That's right. There we go.
Okay.
And it literally pulls up a quote from CPQ, and this is their existing CPQ customer. So, and storyline here is I can take this and it's ready for my customer's signature. And again, it makes me, when I'm out of the office, I still have access to the technology I need to make me a better partner for them. And that's basically the storylines we do here for partner and customer.
Okay. So I think the first scenario is probably where I'm struggling a little bit. The first scenario would be more commerce integrated into the customer service portal part of Engagement Cloud, call deflection. That's definitely something they're interested in with the upsell and everything. But their I think the main thing they're going to be looking to see is the agent experience, like the desktop and everything, which we're trying to move them from Service Cloud to Engagement Cloud, which obviously would not be a good fit because the agent is using Engagement Cloud here or Service Cloud here. But
yeah,